The noise. This is the drain at the bottom right now before I take off this lower panel. No P-trap in the overflow. I started to rig a P-trap into this discharge tube, but the discharge tube isn't very long, so I don't know how I'm going to get this to snake back down through the grating that I have there at the louvers, the anti-bug grating. But as you can see, I've got this on the end here. This has been here for forever, ever since the start, so there shouldn't be any animals or insects inside there. No ammonia leak, I don't think. All I'm seeing here is dust. So everything in here looks... the fan just switched off for some reason. I think my wife said that the temperature inside was 54. I should have it went down to 52.5? Up. Okay, correction. It was 51 and then it went up to 52.5. She had the door open. She was taking a picture of the inside thermometer. Like I said, I don't think that there's any leak in here. I'm not taking anything else apart, really. But when you look here, I can hardly tell if there's any baffles up here. It's hard to tell. But any air that's coming through will be kind of forced to go into this area here. So any suction that's created from the fans, between the lower and the upper vents would suck, and it would, the air would want to go here. So it's probably just a matter of that second fan. Maybe it needs more ventilation. I don't know. This is the upper vent. As you can see, there is a baffle right here, but the baffle doesn't go in any further, so there is a little bit of a gap here. But at least I can feel breeze on this side, but none on this side. So no breeze on this side, but I can definitely feel breeze on this side. So there may be a case where this thing has two fans somewhere down there, and one of the fans is not working, because definitely there's breeze on this side and there's hardly any breeze on this side. No breeze on the right hand side.